Okay, in this video, we're going to have a look at the some more log law questions, mostly around laws 3 and 4, obviously sometimes with a little bit of extras in there. So with 3 and 4, we've got that rule where we can bring down that power to the front. And with number 4, it's when we, same kind of deal, with we've got a -1, we can bring that down the front, which is effectively the same rule here. So we've got our log 2a to the power of 3. So we can just bring that down the front and make that 3 log 2a. Now that's as far as we can go because we don't know what the a is. If the a was something to where we could do it as a power of 2, then we might be able to simplify further. Like in the next one where we have log 2a to the power of 3, we can do it in 2 steps. I probably could change this one first or bring that down as log to 8 and then go, okay, 8 is 2 to the power of 3, and then bring that 3 down the front and get 9 log 2. Once I've got the 2, I know that that's equal to 1, so it is equal to 9. In the next one, I've got my 6 on the bottom there, so I can write that as log 6 to the -1, and then I can bring that negative down the front and write negative log 6. That's as far as I can go with that. In the next one here, I've got my log 5, and then I've got my 1 over 25. So I can write that as 1 on 5 squared. I can then write that as 5 to the -2 by bringing that up to the top. That then enables me to bring down the -2, and I get -2 log 5. Now I've got that 5 there. I know that that's equal to 1, so I've got -2 times 1 as my answer, which is -2. Hopefully that gives you a little bit of practice with some of those log laws. In the next video, I've got a few mixed questions.